Hey guys, just doing a quick oil change on this Briggs & Stratton generator. I took off the cover here, took out the dipstick and this little 10mm screw to let it drain. I'm just hanging it over the edge of the table. These things hardly hold any oil, and then just letting it drip into a pan underneath it. Once it stops draining, you just put this 10mm bolt back in. Make sure the aluminum washer is clean. It's a good crush washer. You don't have to replace it every time. These washers do last a long time, and they have a lot of thread on these for engagement. And I would say, you know, give it maybe about 10 foot-pounds of torque if you're wanting to make sure it's torqued properly, or just a good and tight, just 1-2 like that. Nothing too much, small wrench. And then just clean that up with a carb cleaner or brake parts cleaner. It'll help the oil just all dissipate out of there. Just wipe it down good. And then we'll go about filling it. I'm going to fill it with a 5W30, but it sure doesn't look like much, guys. Alright guys, this is about 10 ounces of oil, and so we'll make sure that we have 10 ounces of 5W30 to go back in it. Alright, I just poured 10 ounces of the Kirkland 5W30 synthetic, and we're going to put it in. So here's a good clean funnel, and we're going to slowly add it in. Okay, so that's 10 ounces right there. Okay, just make sure the stick is clean, the dipstick is clean. Put it in there and don't even turn it. And you can see it's on there. It basically needs a little bit more than the 10 ounces I put in. It's right up here. I like to get it all the way up to here. And I think you're supposed to check these as it shows in the picture with it just touching. So I'm going to add it till it comes up to the thread, and we'll go from there. Alright, now we're just going to put the dipstick in like that, pull it out. Perfect. Alright, now this thing has a brand new oil change. And then again, we will start it to make sure it's running right after we do our oil change here. Okay, make sure the switch is to the on position. Check to make sure the fuel valve is on.